Where can I find definitions of subject jargon? If you are studying and feeling overwhelmed by the specific terms used in your subject, you are not alone. Many students struggle with understanding subject jargon. So, where can you find clear definitions? Let's break it down. First, academic glossaries and dictionaries are excellent resources. Many universities provide glossaries that define terms unique to various fields. These glossaries are often found on educational websites and can help clarify the vocabulary you encounter in lectures and textbooks. Next, don't overlook your course materials. Your syllabus, textbooks, and lecture notes often include glossaries or margin notes explaining key terms. Regularly reviewing these materials can reinforce your grasp of the jargon relevant to your studies. Another great option is online academic resources. Websites dedicated to study skills often feature glossaries that cover common terminology across different disciplines. These sites can provide detailed explanations of terms you might find in research papers and exams. Additionally, reviewing past exam papers can be quite helpful. These papers often contain jargon that is frequently used in exam contexts. Sometimes, examiners even provide glossaries or explanations in marking guides to clarify what is expected in your answers. You can also turn to academic journals and articles. Reading scholarly articles in your subject area allows you to see jargon used in context. Many journals define terms when they are first introduced, which can aid your comprehension. Lastly, don't hesitate to ask faculty or tutors for help. Instructors and teaching assistants can provide direct explanations of jargon and recommend reliable resources for further study. Understanding subject jargon is essential for effective exam preparation. By recognizing and interpreting jargon correctly, you can improve your comprehension of exam questions and formulate precise answers. Using glossaries and academic resources to clarify jargon before exams can make your study sessions more productive and reduce confusion during tests. So, take advantage of these resources and watch your confidence grow as you tackle your studies.